Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your Cubot P50. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Notify Buddy app. And download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, you'll need to grant the two permissions to this app. You can also disable battery optimization, but it's optional. Now, if you move to the next steps, there will be few settings you can change and few tabs you can see. So there's a user. Here you can select any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for. In the system, you can find all apps that that are bound to your system. In active, you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its size, shape, placement or screen or color. But some of the options are locked behind the premium version. Now let's click on the test button, and that way we should see the LED lamp in the top left corner of the screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.